Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. It's another beautiful morning. Mild, not really much of a breeze. I think it's about 58 outside. So just a nice temperature as well. Really quiet again. It's going to get hot today, I think. 75 out here, but in town I think it's going to be mid-80s. I do have plans to head into town today, so I guess I should be prepared for a little bit of heat. Sunrise is in a few minutes. It's about 5:27. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, Saturday, July 20th. Made for justice. The unjust person acts against the gods, for insofar as the nature of the universe made rational creatures for the sake of each other, with an eye toward mutual benefit based on true value and never for harm, anyone breaking nature's will obviously acts against the oldest of gods. We say the most heinous acts that they are crimes against nature. We consider certain things to be an affront against humanity, saying this violates everything we hold dear. However much we differ in religion, upbringing, politics, class, or gender, we can come together in agreement there. Why? Because our sense of justice goes marrow deep. We don't like it when people cut in line. We don't like freeloaders. We pass laws that protect the defenseless, and we pay our taxes, agreeing, in part, to redistribute our wealth to those in need. At the same time, if we think we can get away with it, we might try to cheat or bend the rules. To paraphrase Bill Walsh, when left to our own devices, many of us individuals seek lower ground like water. The key then is to support our natural inclination to justice with strong boundaries and strong commitments, to embrace, as Lincoln urged a divided, angry nation to do, the better angels of our nature. Yes, the better nature of our angels. It goes back again to being full of grace and dignity, doing the right thing. All these lessons that I've been focusing on the last few months. Compassion for yourself and compassion for others. Well, I hope everyone has a lovely Saturday. Mountain is out today. All right, take care, everybody. Stay cool, drink lots of water, hydrate yourselves. More later.